ముందే జుట్టు ఊడిపోతుంది. Do you guys remember in one of my videos I told you that I don't watch my own videos unless and until it comes in a recommendation after like 1 or 2 years. Once I hit upload, I don't go back and watch that video because I'm busy creating a new video, I'm busy editing, I'm busy replying to emails. So usually I don't get time to go and watch my previous uploads. But since the time I started uploading regularly, for example, see this. Since almost I think a week or more, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st, 1st. Since the last almost more than a week, I've been uploading every day and I'm trying to do a daily vlogs. From that time onwards, every day I'm going and reading all the comments because firstly I wanted to see if you people are liking it, and what I've seen is I'm getting like amazing response. Forget response, amazing love. And most of the like to dislike ratio is like 98%, 98.5, 98.3. This is like the next level. The way you people are commenting, I feel it is more engaging now. You people are interacting with me every day, and now I feel that there is some connection, like there's a good connection between us. I mean, it's not that I did not feel it before, I felt it before as well, but now I feel it's much stronger. So I think I'm gonna continue doing this as much as possible. Let's see. Thank you for so much of love. Welcome back to the channel. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela hope everyone is doing great. Let's start the vlog for today. Time is literally 4 o'clock in the evening. I'm starting the vlog now. No. Nature, I'm sleeping. Nature, I'm sleeping. Okay. Nature, say Papa. Tata nahi re. Idhar aa. Naishu. Papa. Yes. Again. Papa bol. Tata nahi. Papa. Very good. Finally, after 20 months, more than 20 months, she said this. Papa. Okay, golden words are not repeated. But you know what? She said Papa first. She didn't say Mama. Naishu's Friday fun. She's tripping over this song.
I just realized all of us are in pink.
I actually, dude, you people copied me. I'm the first. No, we copied Naisha actually.
Yeah.
She's the first one who wore pink. Then I wore pink. Then Pooja wore pink. You copied us. Last you came pink.
Okay, Baba, if that makes you happy, I copied you.
Naisha wear all pink.
The Pinky family.
Red.
Personally, I like black and red.
Black? Don't
and
talk
red.
about black. My bike is black. All my clothes are black.
Even
I stopped buying black because I have like at least 200
I stopped
shirts of
wearing
black.
because the whole gang kept telling me. What do they call me?
Vampire.
Vampire. They call me a vampire. Naminata, say hi.
Remember this lady?
This lady.
She came to Araku trip. Navina. She came to Araku trip last. Okay, Papa, Mummy, you will comments. Did you see the vlog today?
Yeah, we have seen, na?
Dad ka ek pori.
There is one comment which has the highest likes. Uncle, are pori. Auntie, very nice couple.
What Pori? This is Poraga. Right from there, I call him Poraga.
Oh, by the way, love marriage दोनों का.
Love marriage.
हमारे भी love marriage है. पूजा में dad mom से inspiration basically.
My Baba.
1977.
No, one story.
Same love.
Dad wants to tell story. His mom also wants to tell. He's not letting mom tell. Mom, bolo.
Dad is trying.
Dad used to climb the terrace ka wall.
No, dad is trying to hide some secrets, but mom is revealing
I know
everything.
secrets. Mom told me sometimes. He used to wait.
I don't know all the secrets. I know that it's a love marriage, and that is what inspired us also. I was like, okay, dad ka bhi love marriage hai, I can also do it. And there's one more comment. Oh, about the halim. Once again, today also they're eating fridge ka halim. But you know what?
Super.
Best thing is, halim is very good. Halim or biryani, all these are very good next day than the day you made it. Because of proper marination and because of bacteria build-up. You know, whenever you have good street food, why is it so good?
Yeah, because it's kachra and that.
Not kachra, because
Like pani puri wala is better outside.
पानी पूरी वाला ये सब
Because-
करता है ना उसमें.
हाँ, उसका वो सब भी मिलता है.
Because
और
of
यहाँ
that
भी रहता.
extra salt and all that. Today morning I was making my fish and Pooja saw that. She
Yes.
said it's so nice and beautiful, buttery. Actually, she saw the vlog yesterday. So nice, amazing food you're having. I also want it. So I'm making some fish for her. Same
I'm
recipe.
inspired by Zishan high protein diet.
By the way, high protein diet is very good for corona, it seems. You know that?
I know.
Actually, you only told me that.
My office many are affected, yeah, so I've been reading.
That is the reason you shouldn't be going to office. So any CEOs, any founders, anyone who is trying to open office, don't open now. Because that is a place where you're getting more infection. It's spreading like crazy there.
Hey. Siti are washing. All in one. All in one.
And oh yes, about the halim, definitely I just tasted one more spoon now. A little, not even one spoon, I had half spoon, quarter spoon.
Shani have this. ये हमारी शक्कर का स्पून है जो हम चाय पीते हैं.
शक्कर का spoon में quarter. Trust me, it is at least twice, 50% better than yesterday, right?
Yes. I don't eat halim, usually only diet.
This is exactly, trust me, I'm not exaggerating. It is exactly like Pista House, you know that? You never had Pista House?
I don't know much.
It is exactly like that.
I eat
Today I will
fish.
give Dad's halim 11 on 10.
How much Pooja is giving?
Today, mine is always 10 on 10 only.
Today.
No, yesterday it was 9.5, but today salt, everything is perfect.
So today I'll give it
11 on 10, and people are asking for your biryani recipe also. So next time when you're making it, tell me so that I'll vlog. We'll give some recipe
We'll make
secrets.
biryani. Hyderabad, the original Bawarchi biryani. Today's halim you can never get anywhere. We are
True, that's true. Yesterday I thought it's okay, I'll get it anywhere. Today when I tasted it, trust me, it is definitely 11 on 10.
Superb. Thank
Achieved
you,
it.
thank you. The fella used to give only 4 always.
After 40 times I gave biryani ko rank 1. This is the second time he nailed it. And chalo, our fish is also done. And chalo, that's done perfectly. Let's take it out and let's dig in. Actually, no need to dig in. It is like butter. Chalo, it's done. I'm getting it. You need to eat and review it.
Okay, fine. So, you want me to shoot it?
Okay, presentation is not there. This is like normal desi style steel plate.
कोई बात नहीं.
You take this plate.
This whole thing is mine. You cut it.
Yeah.
Wow, thanks.
Is it more?
I'll eat 2. This I'm not sure.
Okay.
I asked you 1 piece actually, like 1. You cut it into 3.
No problem. You can eat how much ever you want because that's like pure protein.
No, I was going
Good
to
for your
eat
heart.
it, but now-
Good for your heart. You can love me more.
I love you the most anyway. Thank you. Wait, where's the fork?
Fork ये try करो.
इतना प्यार आज. मैंने क्या किया आज? हबी ने अपना फोक भी दे दिया मुझे. वाह.
कैमरा के लिए.
कैमरा के लिए तू करा ना ये सब बदमाश. हाँ तू भी आ जाओ. आ जाओ. तुम भी आ जाओ. आ जाओ.
You want fish?
Nasha, see, Papa made for
Can
Mama.
this age girls have fish? I mean, this age kids.
Preferably not. After 2 years is better. Non-veg. I don't know if she likes.
You will love fish.
Your mama never had non-veg.
हमारा blood है,
Now
so you
she
will
has
love
thanks
fish.
to
You
dad.
love non-veg.
Huh?
Nice.
Very nice. For me, salt is thoda kam, but it's good.
That's like continental. So, rating?
I'll give it a 8.5.
8.5. No,
Yeah,
actually, I top it up with something else, a sauce. Like
Salt is
in today's
like-
vlog, you've seen it, right?
Yeah,
But
but that sauce I
that sauce I didn't put today. Like, by the way, a lot of people were asking. No, I think this I made it different. This is I put some peri peri, not oregano. I'll show you.
Actually, put some more peri
It is very nice.
Put some
You can
more.
add some salt on this. This is the one in case you are interested. Just bake some basa fish and you can top this up and then put it in baking. One more. It's gonna be chili, dude.
I like तीखा. तू कल तक डालता दे.
No. Too much nahi dalna.
बस.
I think you can add some salt. It'll be nice. A lot of people were asking me what sauce did I use yesterday. That is secret. This one. This nothing secret. Yeah. This is Nando's peri peri sauce. Hey! Come out. Okay, you want this? Come, pick.
Naisha.
Actually, నాకు కూడా ఉప్పు తక్కువ.
Naisha yummy है.
This is Naishu's new trick. She'll not have anything. Naishu have?
Cutie.
She laughed as if there is something in her mouth. As if she had water, see? Meanwhile, Pooja, mom, dad, 3 of them are having thumbs up.
Pepsi. Actually, I love thumbs up, but nahi hai.
I don't want to say it again, but I don't want to repeat it again, but I'm on a diet, so I can't.
Too bad.
Enjoy.
Of course we are. We are enjoying.
Mummy అయితే మొత్తం బాటిల్ లేపుతుంది. Too many calories, too much of sugar for me.
बस कर. When you start eating sugar, I'll tell your subscribers how much you eat. He eats 10 लोगों का sugar intake.
Yes, that is my problem. If
Chocolates,
I'm like extremes. If I give up on my diet now, it'll be like next level. You know that.
Yes, at least
I can finish one Nutella jar easily. One shot mein.
Yes.
I can finish one full box of donuts.
Basically, he eats like a hog if he's not dieting. So it's good that he's dieting.
Hog or dog?
Hog. Dog kaadu. Hog.
That is my problem. I can't have like her. She can have in moderation.
I eat everything, but hisab se.
Yeah, this is the thing. She can eat everything in moderation. She can have like a sample and she's good. I can't do that. If I open a biscuit packet, I have to finish it completely. If I open a chocolate, I should finish it completely.
Very good. Yum yum no.
Look at that acting. Actually, you have water, sure?
And she's throwing it on me.
Sure, you have water. Boring ఉంది ఏమన్నా మీ లవ్ స్టోరీ ఏమని చెప్పొచ్చు కదా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ లవ్ స్టోరీ దే ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ అవే వెయిట్
I know few things, but then it's better dad mom only tell. I don't want.
Yeah, you can tell, they can inspire some youngsters.
అబ్బో స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాడు.
Yeah, I saw mom's picture.
Dad is getting ready.
In the skirt and the blouse, which dad put 3 generations something.
Hey, I will tell you something, no? Well, only one thing I will tell this time. You know what?
Okay, part by part. This time part 1.
I think, in 10th class, I think. I had one small photograph, small photograph.
Passport photograph.
Passport size photograph of this girl. I brought it to my home. We had only 3 rooms there in Malkajgiri. Once I was sitting in front, in my front yard, and I was slowly drawing, this girl. Since then, she fell into my mind and heart. And I drew, you'll be surprised.
Yeah, because dad is a good artist.
My dad, he came and he was seeing from back. What are you doing, Ray?
Which girl photo are you drawing?
I am drawing, I am practicing my Mardala Pilla, I told.
Mardala means, so basically in Telugu culture, you marry your Mardal. Yeah, you marry your Mardala. So mom is like dad's Mardala.
మర్దలు.
Mardalu.
Madala.
They forgot Telugu also.
You people didn't teach us.
Yeah, mom told me never learn Telugu from Shriman is very bad. So whatever I know is
No,
from
I can manage. I can talk. I can manage all the 3 languages. I'm not like a pandit in any of these languages. Hindi, Telugu, English.
Yes.
No, Pooja,
You're
in
Hyderabadi.
8th standard, I taught her I.E.
No, I can read Telugu, but very slowly. I can manage boards and all that.
I know how you manage boards. कुछ और
Telugu.
लिखा रहता, कुछ और you'll say
The
something.
good thing about Telugu is you can even read Kannadiga,
Same, Nana.
They look similar,
script is
but
similar.
somehow they don't sound similar. You can't speak Kannadiga, but you can read Kannadiga.
People know
Weird.
about your eyesight. That you're saying I can read boards.
Huh.
We know.
HD vision.
I think because of you being a biker that helped. नहीं तो नागपुर जाना होता था, मुंबई में जाता. Somewhere you would go somewhere else, two corners, and I would.
That
be
would
like,
definitely happen if I couldn't read.
And do you know once we went, where did you take me? ऐसे ही चलते चलते.
We were dating that time. I was having the
He
accent.
didn't read the sign.
We didn't read the sign. We were on a ORR, driving, listening to some nice deep house music, and suddenly Patanche came.
I was like, what the hell? What are we doing in Patanche?
We thought we'll just go till High-Tech City, but we took the outer ring road and we were lost.
Nowadays, Patanche is also not a big deal.
Searching for boards, they're not coming. There are no U-turns.
They were always traveling in what you call accent and sand throw and everything. My love story, walking. Railway station, abandoned areas. One time, what happened?
Mom is shy.
2 gundas came.
Not two.
Mom
Two
is
came
running,
behind
gundas
us.
came with
But they were a group of gundas, We were in isolated place. And near that pond. Other side, fellows were drinking,
Cinema scene.
Typical filmy scene है ये.
Oh yes.
Really, Pooja?
Around 10 people, I think they were there.
Oh, dad ka story is different. He's like this Basha, Manik
Yeah, और
Basha.
हमारा stories है.
Previous like college time and all, he was like Manik Basha.
Ah,
Arjun Reddy basically.
Arjun Reddy said 10 times. Trust me, I'm not joking. My dad's friends tell me he was like 10 times Arjun Reddy.
Prepare.
yeah, any of those stories, nothing. Dawn, Ween,
Nice
sir,
you.
Nietzsche.
Idhar
The things
Full
we-
on next level.
She's
we
playing
enjoyed.
with that.
But my study, I just lost my MBBS, medicine, with just 5 marks. Yeah, just 5 marks I lost.
Yeah, sudden transformation from next level Gunda, not a Gunda,
I
but
studied-
college style was very different.
Gunda.
But coming close to MBBS, he missed it by 2-3 marks.
No. What happened? I will.
that-
Should I tell now? Suspense.
tell
3
it.
months suspense.
No,
Suspense.
Next time. Yeah.
Part 2.
Next time.
They want to do part 2.
It will be super.
Not now. It's
That
fake
Gunda
story.
time,
Okay,
she
so
was
they
the
stopped
witness.
here exactly. So mom was walking, dad was walking on a railway track somewhere.
No. From railway track towards one area, it is isolated.
Isolated area because
They were
lovers
taking
at that
us
time,
drinking.
so they were going alone. They were Gundas drinking there.
And 2 people came behind us.
They came behind them. Next,
Next I will tell.
Next.
Time.
Part 2.
One.
part 2 break tarvata.
Yeah, I'll tell. This fellow was small, I think he was on 7th grade. He will also say, I was fighting like Chiranjeevi. He will tell next week.
I saw that with my own eyes. That's scary.
Oh, KOC.
Gancham supermarket.
ఓకే
All these stories later.
కాదు పప్ప లవ్ స్టోరీ చెప్పుకుంటే ఇదేంట్రా చిన్న బండి పూజ ఏంటిది అని అడిగిపోయింది తనకి
I'm thinking like what is going on? Shriman kahan se aaya?
సడన్లీ పప్ప డాడ్
I understand evolution. This is beyond evolution.
See, I'm only king of giving suspense. That is next level.
I know.
He exactly stopped at that moment and he's not telling me also. Even I don't know the story. Okay, next vlog maybe.
పప్ప ఏమన్నా ఆపేసావా ఆపేసా పప్ప ఏమన్నా తెలుసు అప్పుడు చాకు నువ్వు అక్కడ దాసుకో అక్కడ ఉండు అన్నాడు పప్ప అంటే నేను భయపడుతున్నా ఇట్లా వెళ్ళిపోయి జస్ట్ లంగా బ్లౌజ్ ఏనాడు చాలా చిన్నదా నాకు భయం వేసింది
పప్ప ఏం చేశారు? పప్ప దగ్గర ఏమండే? One last time we need this. Nashu? Papa. Say Papa. Say Papa. Tata nahi, Papa.
Naishu Papa bolo beta. Naishu bolo Papa.
Only once. Golden
Please.
words are repeated only once. ప్రతి వీడియోలో చెప్పాలా ఎవ్రీ వీడియో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లైక్ ద వీడియో రోజు చూస్తారు కదా రోజు చెప్పాలా మళ్ళీ పర్లేదు ఇఫ్ దట్ హెల్ప్స్ ఐ టెల్ యూ ఐ హోప్ యూ గైస్ హ్యావ్ ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ వ్లాగ్ ఇన్ కేస్ యూ డిడ్ యూ గైస్ నో వాట్ టు డూ హిట్ ద లైక్ బటన్ డూ షేర్ డూ కమెంట్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఊరికే చెప్పాలరా బై Just kidding. Respectfully, please hit the like button. And oh yes, like I told you in the beginning of the vlog, I am reading all these comments and it's making me feel much more connected to you people. So apart from that, I just finished my work. Dropped my AirPod. Apart from that, I just finished my workout. Almost 1 hour of proper cardio. Exact 10:45 in the night. And the reason I'm telling you that right now is, see, you want to achieve something. I have this goal of getting a good body. I'm repeating this in most of my vlogs, but when I keep doing this subconsciously, because I told you people, because I said this on camera, I feel guilty if I don't do that, and I make sure I stick to it. And even for you guys, it's kind of a motivation I want to give. If I'm able to do it, even you guys can do it. Not just about workouts, anything in your life. If you want something in your life, if you want to achieve that, no matter what, you need to do everything required. Whether it's money, whether it's success, anything positive in life, you want to achieve it, there are ways to get it. You just need to find the right way and go grab it. Right? That's too much of motivation for today. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye. Without subscribing, mat jana.